All right, so I am here to do my review on Pop-On Veneers. They are the best. Oh my God, my smile has, I've gotten so many compliments since I've worn them. I only wore them for the weekend and everybody just loved them. However, my previous smile though, I just got my tooth a couple months ago and I'm like, there's no way I can walk around with this. There's no way I can afford dentures of any kind. So I figured Pop-On Veneers would be my next move. And I'm so glad I went with Pop-On Veneers. I'm going to show you my new smile. This is my old smile. Like I said, my teeth is not that bad. But that right there is horrible. And this is my new smile. And I just love them. I don't have a list. I speak normal. They are just perfect to my teeth. They're a little tight, but I just got to get adjusted to them. My teeth got to get adjusted to them, that is. And they are just the bomb. Like, oh my God. You can't even tell. Like, I just love them. And they so natural looking. Pop-On Veneers, you are the best. Thank you so much for my beautiful new smile.